Unlock your radiance. Simple tips for a glowing complexion tired of dull, lackluster skin. Discover the secrets to a radiant, youthful complexion. In this video, we'll share easy to-follow tips that will help you achieve a glowing, healthy look. From skincare essentials to makeup tricks, we've got you covered. Get ready to transform your skin and boost your confidence. Feeling tired and dull? Your skin is your largest organ, and it deserves some love and attention. Let's dive into some simple tips to help you unlock your natural radiance. 1. Cleanse your way to clear skin. Gentle cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Double cleanse. For stubborn makeup or sunscreen, double cleanse with an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. 2. Mask your way to gorgeous skin. Hydrating masks. Quench your skin's thirst with a hydrating mask to combat dryness and flakiness. Exfoliating masks. Remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion with a gentle exfoliating mask. 3. Drink your way to beautiful skin. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and plump. 4. Nourish your skin from within. Diet matters. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can help improve your skin's overall health. 5. Prioritize beauty sleep. Rest and restore. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can achieve a radiant, youthful complexion. Remember, consistency is key. Subscribe for more beauty tips.